today I'm making soap. This is the third video, and I'm mixing it up and waiting for it to trace. See, at this point, I'm waiting for it to get very thick. I've been trying to keep stirring it on the sides and on the bottom, in the corners of the bottom, because every bit of it has to change into soap. And if it's not all moving, some parts of it will just sit at the side and not change into soap. It's getting mighty thick. Getting to the point where it's about to trace. And once it does that, once it becomes thick enough that it leaves a line and then falls in, once it becomes that thick, then I can add a few drops of my lavender. I like the way this smells anyway. This is just made with tallow, beef tallow, which is melted beef fat. I guess I shouldn't have my arm in front of the camera. Now, if you beat it too much at this stage, once it starts to get to that thickness, I don't know if it's thick enough yet or not. Trouble is I haven't made soap for many years, and what I read in the book wasn't exactly, well, it was descriptive. You wait until it's very thick. There it is. I think it's doing it. It's leaving a line on the top as it falls in. And I guess there's no harm in waiting a few more minutes. Except you might get bored watching. Yes, it's so fascinating to see me stir back and forth, especially if my hand is right in the middle of the picture.